Let me be very clear from the start. This video is not about magic exercises. It's not about doing 1,000 crunches a day, and it's definitely not about workouts that look cool but don't actually work. If you want visible abs at home, without equipment, without gym memberships, and without wasting months on random routines, this video is for you. Today, you're going to learn the only 5 exercises that actually matter for building a six-pack. No fluff, no filler, no influencer nonsense. And here's the difference. I'm not just going to tell you what to do. I'll show you why these 5 work, how to do them correctly, and how to use them together so your abs actually show. Stay with me till the end because most people fail not from lack of effort, but from doing the wrong exercises. You've probably done ab workouts before. Crunches, sit-ups, planks, leg raises, and yet, no six-pack. So what's going wrong? Here's the truth most fitness videos won't tell you. Abs don't respond to variety. They respond to tension, control, and progression. You don't need 20 exercises. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to train abs every single day. You need a small set of movements that hit your abs from every angle, and you need to do them right. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 exercises that build visible abs, exactly which part of your core each one targets, how to perform them with perfect form, and how to avoid the mistakes that keep abs hidden forever. Let's get into it. Now let's break down the 5 exercises. Exercise 1, the hollow body hold. This is the foundation. If you skip this, the rest won't matter. Why this exercise matters? The hollow body hold trains your entire core as one unit. Upper abs, lower abs, and deep stabilizers. This is what teaches your abs to stay tight, flat, and visible. How to do it? Lie flat on your back. Press your lower back into the floor. Lift your shoulders and legs slightly off the ground. Arms overhead, legs straight. Hold this position while breathing slowly. If your lower back lifts off the floor, you're doing it wrong. What you should feel: deep tension in your abs. Shaking is normal. No pain in the lower back. Beginner tip: bend your knees if needed. Form comes before difficulty. Exercise 2, controlled leg raises. This is where most people mess up. Why this exercise matters? Leg raises target the lower portion of your abs, the part most people struggle to develop, but only if you control them. How to do it? Lie flat on your back, hands under your hips for support, legs straight. Slowly raise your legs until they're vertical. Lower them slowly until they're just above the floor. No swinging, no momentum. Key cue: your abs lift your legs, not your hip flexors. What you should feel? Burning in the lower abs, no strain in the lower back. Exercise 3, slow bicycle crunches. Not the fast, sloppy ones you see everywhere. Why this exercise matters? This hits the upper abs and obliques at the same time. Rotation plus flexion equals visible abs. How to do it? Lie on your back, hands lightly behind your head. Bring one knee toward your chest, rotate your torso to touch elbow to opposite knee. Switch slowly. The slower you go, the harder it becomes. Key rule: if your elbows are pulling your neck, stop and reset. Exercise 4, reverse crunches. This one is underrated and incredibly effective. Why this exercise matters? Reverse crunches teach your abs to posteriorly tilt your pelvis, a key movement for lower ab development. How to do it? Lie on your back, knees bent, feet off the floor. Pull your knees toward your chest. Lift your hips slightly off the floor. Lower slowly. This is a small movement. Small doesn't mean easy. What you should feel? Deep contraction in the lower abs. Minimal hip movement. Exercise 5, plank done right. Yes, planks work if you do them correctly. Why this exercise matters? Planks build isometric strength, which makes your abs look tighter and more defined even at rest. How to do it? Elbows under shoulders. Squeeze your glutes. Pull your ribs down. Brace your abs like someone's about to punch you. Your body should form a straight line. Common mistake? Letting your hips sag. That turns it into a back exercise. How to use these 5 exercises together. You don't need to overthink this. Here's a simple structure. Hollow body hold, 30 to 45 seconds. Leg raises, 10 to 15 reps. Bicycle crunches, 20 slow reps. Reverse crunches, 12 to 15 reps. Plank, 45 to 60 seconds. Rest, 60 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Train abs 3 to 4 times per week, not every day. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Chasing burn instead of control. Burn doesn't equal growth. Tension does. Mistake 2. Rushing reps. Fast reps equals zero stimulus. Mistake 3. Ignoring breathing. Exhale during effort. That increases ab activation. Mistake 4. Expecting abs without fat loss. Abs are revealed, not created. If your nutrition is bad, no workout will save you. Mistake 5. Program hopping. Stick with one plan for at least 30 days. If this video helped you understand abs instead of just copying exercises, like the video, subscribe for no BS home workouts, comment abs if you're committing to this for the next 30 days. Remember, six-pack abs aren't built by doing more exercises. They're built by doing the right ones, with consistency and patience. Now stop watching, get on the floor, and start.